Hello, today we will learn how to initialize a variable using pointer. Say you have a variable, a, and which is not having any value in the beginning. So how will we initialize it? With the help of pointer. So here I'll start it with hash. I'll start my program with hash include, then IO stream, and then using name space std, because I am making this program in C++. So I'll start my main function, and after my main I'll write here, I'll declare my variables, and the first variable which I am using here, a, and this variable is not having any value, so leave it here. Then another variable, I'll define it as a pointer variable. As you know, pointer variable is a variable that points to the address of another variable. So here I will assign it address of a variable. Now after this I'll change the value of the pointer where it is pointing, value at that address where p is pointing. P is a pointer variable, and as per definition, a variable who points to the address of another variable is known as a pointer. So here I am changing value of this variable as say 20, and then I have changed it. That means where it will be changed? It will be changed at the address of a, because p is pointing to at the address of a. So here I will print now value of a. Value of a is, because you have not assigned it any value, but you are printing its value. See what you are going to get here. Run it and see its output. And as far as explanation is concerned, p is pointing to the address of a. So that means whatever you are changing here, it will be changed at the address of a. That's why it is able to change this value. So see and run it. So the value of a is changed to 20. Assign it some other value, and you can put it say 50, and you will get the address at that value. It is 50 now. So that means whatsoever you are giving, that value will be assigned to a. The same program, if you want to make with the user input, even you can do the same thing. Here what you can do, you can you can get it with the scene, and that you can assign to pointer p, and if you are doing that, you will be able to print value of a. Now the next program, this is done. Now the next program, let us suppose if we want to find out sum of two variables, but not directly, we will be using pointer. So see how we can do this. Here I have taken variable a, and I will take another variable b, but this time I would like to initialize them. Say a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. My two variables have been initialized, and for them I will be using two pointers, say pointer p1 and pointer p2. And what I will do here, p1 is holding address of a and p2 is holding address of b. Now without using these two variables, we will be able to find their sum. So what I will write here, I will write very simple, pointer p1 and plus pointer p2, and here you can write sum of a and b. Sum of a and b is, and what you are getting here, pointer p1 plus pointer p2, pointer p1 plus pointer p2, and you can again run it, and when you will run, you will see the output of it, please. So here a and b is 30. So what it is indirect access to the address. It is indirect access to the address. Rather of using variable, we are using pointer variable. Even if you if you want to print their addresses, you can print their addresses as well using these pointers, address of A and B. So you can write here address of A and B is. So here I'll write one by one, sorry, I'll put it like this, address of A is, and here I can write only P, I can write only P, and similarly for B I will write P1 and P2. So I'll write P2, address of B is, because where it is pointing it will show you address of that. So if you will print, you will get their addresses and you can run it. So you are getting address of A and address of B. Seeing there is a difference. It is both are having the difference of address is 4 bytes. So here when it is done, you can do this. And now the address what you have print, you can print by the same as well. If you want to have its indirect access, if you want to access directly, you can put something like this, address of A, address of A, and address of A again I will use, but this time I will use it direct access. So here I can do something like this, and for B as well I'll do same thing, but here I'll write address of B but direct access, it is direct access. So here %B. So directly you are printing where they are residing. You can check out, see, same address is same, address is same, address is same, address is same. So like this you can make your program using pointers, which is directly which can access at the memory address. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.